Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best camping cots is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your next camping trip, ensuring a comfortable and restful night's sleep under the stars, away from the uncomfortable ground, rocks, and uneven terrain. In this video, we will review the top portable camping cots for adults, comparing their features, durability, comfort, and ease of setup, to help you choose the perfect cot for your next outdoor adventure, whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-timer. Number 5. LILYPELLE Camping Cot. This cot is perfect for your next adventure. It's easy to set up and folds away compactly for travel. It's built with a strong steel frame and can hold up to 880 pounds. Sleep soundly knowing it can support you comfortably. The double-layered 1200D Oxford fabric is durable and easy to clean. It's designed for long-lasting use and ultimate comfort. It sets up in seconds and folds down just as quickly. The included carry bag makes transport a breeze. 4 anti-concave reinforcement belts provide extra support and ensure a comfortable sleep. Say goodbye to aches and pains. It's great for camping, hiking, traveling, or even a quick nap at home or in the office. Take it anywhere. What we like. This cot boasts an impressive weight capacity and durable, easy-clean fabric. If you need a sturdy and reliable cot for heavier users or those who want a long-lasting option, this is it. Its simple setup makes it perfect for quick naps or overnight trips. What people say. It is very sturdy and super comfortable, yet easily folds up into a compact package. It was easy to set up, is sturdy, and my guests slept comfortably for a couple of nights. Afterwards it was easy enough to fold up and store away until the next guest arrives. What a great set of camping cots. We got these because they are longer than most and say they hold up to 800 pounds. My 300-pound husband tried it out and sure enough, super comfortable. They are super easy to set up and take down. Number 4. Slsy Folding Camping Cot. It's great for camping, traveling, or even as a comfy extra bed at home. Its versatility makes it perfect for any adventure or unexpected guest. Setting it up is a breeze. It opens in seconds and folds away just as quickly, making it incredibly convenient. Its space-saving design makes it easy to transport and store. You can take it anywhere without any hassle. The soft, removable mattress offers additional comfort and warmth for a better night's sleep. You can easily remove it for cleaning too. It's built to last with a strong steel frame and durable Oxford cloth. This ensures it can support a significant weight and withstand regular use. Unlike other cots, its double-layered 1200D Oxford cloth is far more durable. It's designed to handle up to 900 pounds. What we like. This cot offers superior comfort and convenience with its removable mattress and quick setup. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use, and want a versatile cot for various situations, this is the one for you. The removable mat adds to its adaptability for different preferences and weather conditions. What people say. Very sturdy, easy to set up, and the padding is thick enough to be comfortable. Went on a 8-day camping trip. This product functionality was flawless, amazingly comfortable, sturdy, lightweight, easy to set up and break down. I'm 6 foot and 225 pounds. These cots are easy to use, very comfortable and great for plus size and tall people. We laid on them for a long period of time to test them. Number 3. ATORPOK Camping Cot. Introducing the ATORPOK Camping Cot, your perfect companion for comfortable outdoor adventures. It's designed for ultimate relaxation, no matter where your journey takes you. Enjoy customized comfort with its removable cushion. Keep it on for extra softness or remove it for better airflow on warmer nights. It folds away neatly into its own carry bag, making it incredibly easy to transport to your campsite or any outdoor location. Lightweight and portable, it's ready for your next adventure. This cot boasts a heavy-duty steel frame with an X-shaped structure for superior stability and safety. It can support up to 450 pounds, ensuring a secure and restful sleep. Made from strong, double-layer 600D polyester, it's water-resistant, easy to clean, and built to withstand the elements. Say goodbye to backaches with its comfortable and breathable design. With a large side pocket, you can keep your essentials close at hand. Your phone, water bottle, and other necessities are always within easy reach. What we like. This cot provides both comfort and practicality with its removable cushion and handy side pocket. If you value convenience and portability without sacrificing comfort, this is a great option. The removable cushion allows for customized comfort levels depending on the weather and personal preference. What people say. Lengthwise, it is about same length as my recliner love seat and height is even with the seats too. Surprised how comfortable it is, doesn't make a noise, great features for portability and organization. The accompanying pad secures at the corners and feels comfortable enough. These cots fold up to easily fit in a storage closet or slide under a bed. They are surprisingly comfortable and simple to set up take down. They're generous in length and width, allowing most average-sized folks an ample sleeping surface. They feel sturdy. Number 2. ATORPOK Camping Cot. It's an all-in-one camping cot, including a built-in soft mattress and pillow for ultimate comfort. Say goodbye to the hassle of extra bedding. The included pillow is filled with soft PP cotton, and the tilted head design provides extra comfort for a great night's sleep. It unfolds and folds away in seconds, making it incredibly convenient to take with you anywhere. Just pack it in the included carrying bag. A large side pocket keeps your essentials close at hand. Store your phone, water bottle, and other small items easily. The heavy-duty steel frame and X-shaped structure ensure stability and safety. It supports up to 450 pounds. What we like. This cot offers ultimate convenience with its integrated cushion and pillow, and incredibly fast setup. If you're looking for a hassle-free, comfortable cot that's ready to use in seconds, this is the perfect choice. The all-in-one design eliminates the need for extra setup and packing. What people say. The quality is superb and this thing is more comfortable than my bed at home. Everything about this camping cot is absolutely perfect. Very nice packaging and even comes with a nice carrying bag. It's not too heavy at all, plenty long enough if you're a taller person, convenient side pocket, nice feeling fabric on the top, high quality frame. This one is solid, well built and super easy to set up. Just take out of the bag and fold it out. After my first night I was convinced it was just perfect for my needs. For context, I'm 5 feet 10 inches and about 175 pounds. I did put a ground pad on top of it for extra cushion as I sleep on my sides, and it made it more comfortable for my hips. I also like that it raises at your head a bit, but would still recommend a pillow. Comfortable, sturdy and easy to set up and take down. It felt extremely sturdy. I was able to get down and up without help. I was able to nap very comfortably on it. Number 1. Slendor Folding Camping Cot. It's a full-sized cot, measuring 73 by 28 by 15 inches when open, providing ample space for a comfortable night's sleep. Its convenient pack size of 41 by 9 by 7 inches makes it easy to transport. This cot is built to last. It easily supports up to 500 pounds, thanks to its sturdy, reinforced tubular iron legs. You can rest assured of its stability and durability. It comes with a comfortable mattress and a handy side pocket for your essentials. Enjoy a peaceful night's sleep wherever you are. The cot features a durable, water-resistant 600D double-layer polyester surface that's easy to clean. Its gentle incline helps prevent aches and pains. Setting it up or packing it away takes only seconds. No assembly is required, simply unfold and go. It comes with a convenient carrying bag for easy transport. It's perfect for camping, the beach, your backyard, or even the office. Take it anywhere for comfortable rest and relaxation. What we like. This cot provides superior comfort and support with its extra-wide design and included mattress. If you need a spacious and comfortable cot for larger individuals or those who want a luxurious camping experience, this is the one. The extra width ensures ample space for comfortable relaxation. What people say. It was extremely easy to set up, it's very comfortable and super sturdy, holds my 200 pounds plus my 100-pound dog too, and folds up quickly for easy storage in the bag. The cot comes with a soft and supportive mattress, making it incredibly comfortable for a restful night's sleep. Its extra width ensures plenty of space to move around, which is especially great for larger individuals. The build quality is impressive, with a heavy-duty design that includes 10 sturdy legs and thickened oblate square tubes, offering remarkable stability and a max load capacity of 800 pounds. Setting it up is super easy, took me less than 5 minutes from begging to end. I have a comfortable and sturdy bed ready for a good night's sleep. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.